Stop bleeding with direct pressure. Direct, firm pressure will stop almost all bleeding. Have the person press firmly and directly on the bleeding site. Put on gloves and goggles to protect yourself from exposure to blood. Then, quickly cover the wound with gauze or a clean cloth. Press directly and firmly on the site of bleeding with 2 or 3 fingers. Don't use bulky dressings. They cannot provide enough pressure in the right place. If the wound is on an arm or leg, raise the injured part so it is above the level of the person's chest. If blood soaks through the first dressing, do not remove the bloody cloth. Just add another layer and continue to apply direct, firm pressure. Continue direct pressure on the wound until the bleeding stops. When the bleeding has stopped, apply a bandage to keep the gauze in place. Then, elevate the limb with a sling. Remember, continuous, firm, direct pressure will stop almost all bleeding. Elevate the injured limb and place a bandage when the bleeding stops.